Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet and fold it as shown. Now make the small cuts on both the sides and then paste it with the help of a glue. Now take another sheet and paste the cute little eyes and make a fish. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then start pasting it into the leaf shape and then fold it nicely, open it. Now take a tissue paper, roll it nicely and paste it. Now make the lines out of it and make the small dots and pull it out and then take a sheet, paste it all together and then it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half into the vertical and horizontal way and then fold it as shown in the video, turn it over and fold it into half again. Now open it and attach it all together as shown in the video as it will start looking like this and then pinch it from the middle of it. Now take the bottom part and fold it very nicely and gently and then make the corners out of it into the circular way. Now repeat the process on both the sides. It's done. For this one, take a sheet and fold it nicely. Now fold the top bottom of it and then start folding it by opening it as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now fold it into half and then start making the edges as shown in the video. Repeat the process until it will start looking like this and then make two out of it and it's done. For the next one, take a roller and then wrap the sheet around it as shown. Now start wrapping the stripes of a sheet around it as shown in the video. Now paste the cute little eyes on the circular sheet and then paste the cute little strings. Now take another sheet and make a heart shape out of it. Cut it nicely and then paste it on the rolls. It's done. Cute, right? For the next one, take a sheet and fold it into half and then another half. Now cut it into the shape of a leaves. Now take a bottle and then start pasting the leaves all over it as shown in the video and then repeat the process very nicely and attach it all together and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, take a sheet, fold it as shown. Now start folding the edges of it from all the sides and then open it nicely and then open it and again fold it all together. It will look like this. Now repeat the process and from all the sides, open it very nicely and gently and then fold it into half from all the sides. It will look like this. Now make a beak from the middle of a sheet as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now take the sheet and then cut it nicely and fold it all together in another halves and then repeat the process on another side too. Now open it nicely and make the wings out of it by folding it into half and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it from all the sides and then make it into all horizontal and vertical way and fold it. Now start folding the edges of it very nicely and gently and make it very nice. It will look like this and then open it and then paste the cute little eyes and it's done. Thanks for watching.